Hi, my name is Sharonda, and I'm a licensed esthetician here in the state of Texas and the proud owner of Dollface Beauty LLC, currently located in the heart of Plano, Texas. Today, I will be doing a signature back facial. That's right, a facial performed on the back. The skin is the largest organ on our bodies. With that being said, the back is a very large portion of the skin that is very neglected. Most people aren't able to properly reach their back in order to properly clean it. So that's why you have me. It's a 2-for-1. You're getting a deep cleanse and also it's very pampering. All right, guys, so let's get right to it. Step number 1, we will start out by doing a double cleanse. The first cleanse will be using a vitamin C creamy cleanser. This cleanser is an antioxidant packed cleanser that promotes hydration and aids in protecting the skin. It also helps to soften the skin and remove dull skin cells, oils, dirt, and debris. I will remove this product with a warm towel. Now, step number 2, we will be doing a second cleanse using a gentle wash. This cleanser has 10% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid helps improve acne all over the skin. Yes, it's very common to get back acne as well. It also helps brighten and lighten any hyperpigmentation and scarring you may have. We will remove this product with a warm towel as well. Step number 3, we will exfoliate using a lemon enzyme peel. This peel exfoliates and brightens the skin with the antioxidant and brightening benefits of lemon. We will also remove this product with a hot towel. Step number 4, we are on to extractions, one of my favorite treatments to do, which is the process of unclogging pores. Who doesn't love removing unwanted blackheads, better known as comedones? Included is a mini back massage. Yes, a relaxing back massage, everyone's favorite. We will be using sunflower oil, which is packed with vitamin A, C, D, and E. Paired with hot stones, which is great to relieve muscle tension and pain. It is also known to reduce stress and anxiety. It's just overall relaxing. Now on to step number 6, where I'll be using a marble nourishing mask, which is filled with several rich antioxidants to reveal an even skin tone with superior hydration. Step number 7. Then we remove the mask with hot towels. Then we apply a cucumber hydrating toner. This toner rehydrates skin while improving cellular functions, reducing redness and irritated itchy skin, if any. Step number 8. Then we apply Ultra Hydrogel that replenishes dehydrated, irritated skin with 10% hyaluronic acid gel. Hyaluronic acid is found naturally in our bodies and is responsible for healthier skin. Number 9, last but not least, we apply a vitamin C cream. This amazing healing cream reduces inflammation, neutralizes pigmentation, and combats free radicals and so much more. Okay guys, this concludes our back facial today. I hope you enjoyed tuning in with me. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me at info@dollfacebeautyllc.com or give us a call at 214-718-1694. We would love to hear from you. Also, all appointments can be booked online at our website, dollfacebeautyllc.com. Again, thank you guys for joining me.
We're all done.